Hey everybody, I wanted to show you guys an app that I developed to help me distinguish different species of trees within the Colorado Rocky Mountains. I developed this app within the bulk of the app within the last 48 hours to finish up and send out with an application that I recently submitted. Um, so without further ado, let's just start it up. I'll show you what it is. Uh, so if you have a tree, pretty easy to tell if it's a conifer or deciduous. You really don't need any type of help deciding between those two. A conifer is just for those of you that don't know, just a needle-bearing tree with cones, and then a deciduous tree is a leaf-bearing tree where the leaves fall. So I only have the conifer one coded right now. The deciduous one is, there's still plenty of work to be done. This is what I have. The easiest way to tell if it's what type of subspecies of tree it is by telling how many needles protrude from each spore. So if you look at a twig, there will actually be a certain number of needles actually coming out from each spore. So if there's 2 needles coming out from each spore, or 3 or 5, then that means it's a pine tree. And then it'll prompt you for more questions if you go into that. But let's do one. Um, so um, this is an easy way to tell if the tree is a spruce or a fir tree. So if the needles are sharp and roll between your fingers, it's a spruce tree. And if the needles are soft and don't roll between your fingers, that's a fir tree. So let's go into the spruce trees. So there's 2 types of spruce trees within the Colorado Rocky Mountains. The easiest way to tell between them are with these 2 prompts. So if the needles are stiff, sharp, and smooth, and the needles point away from the stem at a right angle, that is a blue spruce. That is the Colorado state tree. Um, this is basically the answer that you would get if you went down this path. So you get the name of the tree, the Latin name, the picture of the tree, the picture of the cone, and then a picture of the stem, and then a little description here. So let's say if the needles are flexible, smell like a skunk, then this is an Engelmann spruce. Again, this is the general layout of every type of tree. It'll have, again, everything you need to help you identify and make sure you got the right one. So that's pretty much it. I mean, there's plenty more of these. If you go down, let's say it had 3. That's a ponderosa pine, super popular around the Boulder area. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I still have plenty to develop on this. I'd like to eventually publish it on the App Store. But as you can tell, this is a little sloppy. You got like a little like white section here. Um, I want to add more to this toolbar. Maybe add like a menu with the appendix of all the trees, and a home button maybe to make the navigation easier. I want to clean up some of these like pictures to make the resolution better. That's pretty much it. And obviously, code the whole deciduous section as well. But that's it. Thanks for watching.